Welcome to the project Smart Grid Monitoring and Controlling of Power Devices. So in this project we are measure the grid parameters such as voltage, current, frequency and temperature. So in this project we are using potentiometers to measure the voltage and current values of the grid. So this is optocoupler module which is used to measure the frequency of grid, and this is DS18B20 temperature sensor is used to measure the grid temperature, and this is HC05 Bluetooth module. So for wireless communication we are using Bluetooth technology. So this Bluetooth module will continuously send the grid parameters to the user Android application. So this is 16:2 LCD display which display the grid parameters on it. So this is PIC16F72 microcontroller, so which is interfaced with input and output module. So inputs are grid sensors and outputs are LCD bulb and fan. So this is main controlling part of the device. So this is the reset button which is connected at first pin of the microcontroller. When we press the reset button, so controller start from begin, and this is crystal oscillator. It will generate the clock pulses. By these clock pulses maintain the execution speed in microcontroller. And this board consists of two LEDs. One is for programming indication, which is nearest at microcontroller, that is programming indication, and this is power indication, and this is electromagnetic relay, so which is interfaced AC bulb to the microcontroller, and this is a transistor which is interfaced fan to the microcontroller. Here bulb interfacing to the microcontroller along with relay, and fan is interfaced with microcontroller along with transistor. So this is RPS board. So this is step down transformer, so which converts 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. The 12 volts AC we are giving input to the rectifier, which consists of 4 diodes, bridge rectifier. So rectifier converts AC to pulsating DC, 12 volts pulsating DC, which converts 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC. The 12 volts pulsating DC we are giving input to the capacitor, and this capacitor remove the unwanted pulse and give the 12 volts DC to the 7805 voltage regulator, which give the constant 5 volts output. 7805 means 78 is positive series, 05 is voltage. So that 5 volts we are giving to the microcontroller for working. So before on the kit, so we should install the on the kit we should install the Bluetooth serial Bluetooth terminal app from Play Store. So after installation so we should give the power supply to the project. So after providing the power supply, so here we can see LED blinks fastly. So we should pair the mobile Bluetooth to this HC05 Bluetooth module. So we should change the password. So here we can see HC05. So password should be 1 2 3 4. So here we can see HC05. So next we can go to the app. So here we can click on terminal. So here we can see HC05. So after pairing the app, so here LED got switched off. So here we can see monitoring the voltage. V for voltage and current and frequency and temperatures. So you can continuously monitoring the grid parameters such as voltage, VI current and amps and frequency and temperature. So now based on that a user will control the devices from this app. So now I can press the capital A. So bulb will switch it on. So microcontroller receive the signal over Bluetooth and turn on the relay. Here we can see LED indication and bulb got switched on. Next, when I enter the small a, so bulb got switched off. So now when I enter the capital B, so fan will get switched off. Fan will get switched off. Switched on. Sorry, fan will get switched on. So when I enter the capital B, fan will get switched on. And now when I enter the small b, fan will get switched off. Thank you for watching demo.